Let me just get 5 minutes. All right. Just give me 5 minutes. Just 5. I ain't even took a shower yet. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Kayla V. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. Before we start this video, I need you all to subscribe to my channel. And let's go over to Instagram and follow me there as well at Kayla V. Okay, so today I woke up and I'm like, all right, I want to do something kind of testy for my channel or something kind of different. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm about to do a challenge. So I am the queen of last minute. And I think this will be a cute like challenge mixed with me working on something that I probably need and every woman needs, getting ready fast. So I'm going to try to do a 5-minute face, and I'm going to challenge 2 of my other friends / YouTubers. I'm going to tag them below, my friend Bria and my friend Mariah, So Rye and Bria Brand. So Bria Nicole Brand, I'm sorry. So, ladies, let's see what we could do with only 5 minutes, okay? So, y'all wish me luck. I hope I finish. This is not, I'm barely gonna have words for y'all because I don't even know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna set my timer and let's see how cute I get with just 5 minutes. All right, guys, the timer is only set for 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Ooh. All right, ready, set, go. I don't even really have a lot of words for y'all, but I'm gonna try to just kind of go through what I'm doing real quick. All right, I always prime my face. I got to, even if I'm not doing a full face, a crazy face. All right, so we just gonna start with the usual. I gotta wet my brush. I always my beauty blender. I don't know. I feel like because I am rushing, it makes me even more nervous about this. I don't know, but we're gonna see how far we get in 5 minutes. Cause usually I'm rushing anyway at the time of my life. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. How we gonna do this? Dang, time flies. Like literally. Don't nothing move that fast. All right, we already at 4:13. Okay. And this is like my most important part. All right. If someone else does this, y'all tag me. This is so funny. All right. Let's get this foundation in. Oh my gosh, it's already 3 minutes. What the heck? All right, let me move on because this is crazy. All right, I'm just going to try to move on. I don't know why I can get that open. All right. This is not even the concealer I wanted to use. Let me grab another one real quick. All right. All the rules go out the window. Listen, nothing is going back on the tops because that's going to slow me down. All right, we're at 3:10. All right. Oh my gosh, y'all. What are we going to give? This is scary. I think it's more nerve-wracking because I know I don't have no time. Like, it's because I know I have 5 minutes. So let's see what we can give to these brows in 2 minutes. And I don't even have 2 minutes for my brows, please. I got 2 minutes for the rest of my face. What? I mean, I could give you a 10 minutes face, but giving you 5 minutes for an entire face, I can give you a 5-minute eye. Shoot, I feel like my eyebrows take me 5 minutes. What I got? 2:14? All right, y'all. This ain't even the way I do my brows from what y'all have seen. All right. Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness. I have 1:50. Okay, listen. Bump that. That's good enough. We're going to wash away this so we ain't out here looking crazy. At this point, the brows is filled in, so that's all we need to give. Let's add a little color to this face. We'll go back and add something else if I got time, but we're going to try to at least get some stuff done. I should have covered up that little mark on my forehead. Thanks, Mother. Time of the month. All right, I got 1:23 left. We're just gonna put some blush on. Ooh, my table looks crazy right now. Nothing has lids on it. All right, I think I might have a little second to maybe conceal my brow because I got 58 seconds. Maybe I could just add like a little bit underneath here. All right, hold on. 45. This is so nerve-wracking. All right, y'all, hold on. All right, boom. What I got? I got 30 seconds. Okay. I'm going to add a little highlight. 16 seconds. I got 12. Oh, shoot. I got 9, 8, 5, 4, 3. Add a lid. It can look like But hold on. God. All right, timer's up. Time's up. But hold on. Don't even front like this is not that bad. I'll try to add a lip to make it look like something. What the heck? All right. But y'all, 5 minutes. I could go somewhere. Don't let me try to do my hair or something. I could maybe do something. All right. My little 5-minute face. Whew. I feel like I'm sweating or something. Like, it's like so much going on. It's 5 minutes. All right. So, boom. Bria, Mariah, and anyone else, I challenge everyone to the 5-minute face. And for real, I feel like it should be like a little like marathon or something. We should like get this popping. Let's see. Maybe we like do it enough. We could like get faster. I think that's probably it. Maybe like once a week, I should try to do my makeup in 5 minutes and maybe like in my squat routine, like speed it up. All right. So yeah, let's see. So this is it, y'all. In my opinion, I could leave out the house right now. Do a little something else, add some earrings. Lipstick, y'all, it's a win. Okay, so this is my 5-minute face. I challenge everybody. I challenge everyone. Of course, my 2 girls, but I challenge everyone. If y'all do this face, if you do a 5-minute face, tag me on Instagram, comment below, tell me on your channel, yeah, girl, I did one, check it out. I would definitely check it out. Let me know. But I thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like my little 5-minute face. Ladies, I'm waiting for your videos. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching. And tell someone you love them because they just might need it. See you guys.